You know that feeling when you first unbox your new iPad Air and it seems like the ultimate device? But then reality hits. You're juggling limited ports, searching for the perfect stand, or wishing for a more natural writing experience. We've all been there. The good news, the right accessories can take your iPad to the next level. In this video, we'll highlight must-have accessories that maximize its potential and share some hidden gems that open up brand new ways to use it. Let's start with the ESR Rebound Magnetic Case. It's a balance between style, function, and protection. This case is slim and lightweight. It protects your tablet from drops and bumps while maintaining its sleek profile and convenient portability. It attaches to your iPad using strong magnets, which ensure a strong lock between the case and tablet. It also supports Pencil 2 magnetic pairing and wireless charging with a magnetic clasp that folds over to keep it securely in place when on the go. And the magnetic trifold cover easily folds into a stable stand for viewing or writing to ensure a comfortable angle for catching up on your favorite shows or taking notes with your pencil. Additionally, the ESR Rebound Magnetic Case has a built-in auto sleep or wake function, which helps save battery life by automatically turning your iPad on or off when you open or close the cover. While it's a solid case, it doesn't offer full edge protection like some folio cases. But if you prefer a simple, lightweight design with style and ease of use, then this one is a great choice. Next up, we have the Moft Float Stand and Case, a sleek and innovative accessory that combines both a protective case and a stand in one. The key feature is the built-in stand that elevates your iPad to eye level. That's really useful for video calls, presentations, or simply using your device hands-free. The design allows you to adjust the height and angle smoothly. The 11-inch case features an exterior made from Movis P, which is resistant to daily scratches and water spills. On the inside, a silicone layer protects your screen, providing a smooth, fingerprint-resistant surface. It has 3 stand angles with a 3.1-inch elevation, allowing the iPad to easily accommodate browsing, drawing, and sidecar modes. You can watch a movie or work using sidecar at eye level in the floating mode, take online courses in the focus mode, or sketch in a loose gestural style in the drawing mode. Plus, the detachable pencil protection features a sleek metal design that securely holds your pen. It provides excellent anti-loss protection while allowing for easy removal. On the downside, the Moft Float Stand and Case is a bit heavier than some basic cases due to its hinge mechanism. Still, if ergonomics and adjustability are key priorities for you, this case's features far outweigh the extra weight. It's perfect for anyone looking to make their iPad experience more comfortable and versatile. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Let's move on to the Hyperdrive USB, which adds USB-C, HDMI, and USB-A ports to your iPad. Perfect for expanding connectivity. With this 4-in-1 USB, you can expand your iPad's functionality by adding multiple essential ports, like an HDMI port, a USB-A port, a USB-C port, and an SD card slot. The HDMI port allows you to connect your iPad to an external monitor or TV, which is perfect for presentations, watching videos on a larger screen, or working with multiple displays. The USB-A port gives you the ability to connect older devices, like a flash drive, while the USB-C port ensures fast data transfer or charging. The SD card slot is a godsend for photographers and videographers who need to quickly transfer files from their cameras directly to the iPad. This accessory can turn your iPad into a multifunctional workstation. Some hubs also include pass-through charging, so you won't have to worry about running out of battery while using multiple peripherals. The only thing to keep in mind is that it does require a bit more space than a simple adapter. Still, if you're looking for a way to maximize your iPad's potential with additional ports, this accessory is a must-have. Moving on to the charger, One of the best investments you can make for your M3 iPad Air is the Anker Nano 30-watt charger. The default 20-watt charger works fine, but this compact charger is a great upgrade for faster iPad charging. Despite being compact, the Anker Nano delivers more power, meaning you can charge your device quickly and get back to using it. It's perfect for when you're in a rush or just don't want to wait too long for your device to recharge. With its fast charging capabilities, it can power an iPad Air to 50% in just 45 minutes. Plus, the upgraded Active Shield 2 technology ensures your devices stay safe by constantly monitoring temperature to prevent overheating. While this charger does provide faster charging for your iPad, it won't necessarily boost the overall battery life. However, if you prioritize quick charging in a compact design, this charger is definitely worth considering. Next, let's talk about the screen protector. The ultra-thin 0.095mm screen meets Apple's accessory guidelines and offers instant Apple Pencil responsiveness while reducing tip wear, so you can draw or write for longer without frequent replacements. Its advanced nanodots technology simulates the texture of high-quality paper, which gives you more precision and control when writing or drawing on the iPad. It's scratch-resistant and smudge-proof, so it protects your iPad display from everyday wear while preserving vibrant colors and screen clarity. The added texture makes writing and drawing more comfortable and precise, giving you that familiar paper-like feel. It's also designed to reduce glare, making it easier to use your iPad in bright environments. But it'll naturally degrade over time and need replacing sooner than a tempered glass one. Although it doesn't show fingerprints right away, dust and grime can get stuck in the texture, which makes cleaning a bit more challenging. However, it's still relatively easy to wipe off and keep clean with regular maintenance. So if you're an artist, note-taker, or someone who wants a more tactile screen, the paper-like screen protector is worth. Now, let's shift our focus to the arm mount, the Hoverbar Duo 2.0. It offers a flexible 2-in-1 design, letting you use your iPad in floating or mounted positions for hands-free convenience and adjustable angles. The Hoverbar, along with the latest iPad software, creates a seamless dual display experience. With the new Center Stage feature, your iPad's front camera automatically adjusts to keep you in the frame. And when paired with the Hoverbar, it stays perfectly at eye level for video calls or recordings. Plus, you can use your iPad as a second screen in different ways. Connect it to your iPad with Sidecar or Universal Control for seamless multitasking, or take advantage of Stage Manager on an external display to turn your iPad into a fully functional second screen. With both a weighted desktop stand and a shelf clamp, it lets you set up your iPad wherever you need it – desk, kitchen, bed, or as a second screen. Plus, it's fully adjustable, allowing you to raise or lower your iPad to the perfect angle. Plus, the quick release clip makes switching setups quick and easy. The stand can hold your iPad up to 2 feet in the air or all the way down to the base, providing a fully adjustable viewing angle for optimal comfort during use. The downside is that it takes up more space than traditional stands, but if you need a hands-free setup with full adjustability, this one delivers. Next, let's talk about a keyboard case, the Logitech Combo Touch. It not only protects your iPad but also adds a full-sized keyboard and trackpad. What makes the Combo Touch stand out is its versatility. It has a detachable keyboard and a built-in trackpad, giving you a laptop-like experience while still keeping the flexibility of a tablet. The kickstand at the back lets you adjust the viewing angle, so whether you're typing, drawing, or watching content, you can set it up just right. It also includes a row of function keys, something even Apple's Magic Keyboard doesn't offer. So you get quick access to brightness, volume, and media controls. Plus, the Combo Touch keyboard case uses smart connector technology, so you can enjoy instant power and pairing with no need for additional charging. The case has a special opening on the side, so you can easily connect the Apple Pencil to the iPad for charging while keeping the case on for protection. But the thing is, adding a keyboard does make your iPad a bit heavier, and the soft fabric cover isn't as rigid as some other cases. But if you want a case that protects your iPad while giving you a comfortable typing and navigation experience, this is worth considering. Lastly, Adenit Note Plus 2. It's an affordable yet high-quality stylus. It's designed to enhance your creative workflow with a range of versatile features. It comes with 3 interchangeable pen tips: soft, medium, and hard, so you can choose the one that best suits your drawing or writing style. With pressure sensitivity, every stroke is captured with precision, while palm rejection technology lets you rest your hand naturally on the screen without accidental marks. Bluetooth pairing unlocks customizable shortcuts, giving you quick access to frequently used functions. Plus, with fast charging via USB-C, you can power up quickly and get back to creating without long wait times. The stylus is also compatible with a variety of apps, offering endless possibilities for digital artists, note-takers, and creators alike. Besides, it offers pressure sensitivity and programmable shortcut buttons, making it perfect for artists, students, or anyone who likes to take handwritten notes. The only drawback is that it doesn't have the same premium feel as the Apple Pencil, and it lacks magnetic attachment. But for a stylus that delivers solid performance at a fraction of the price, the Adonit Note Plus 2 is a great choice. So these are the best accessories for the M3 iPad Air. Which accessory do you think will work best for you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you in the next one.